Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and we are cooking with Q today. I've been struggling with my camera and the settings, trying to get it together and get the microphone to work, so it seems to be working now. We are making whole wheat spaghetti. My family does not love or enjoy whole wheat pasta, so I'm trying to do it in a different way that it'll be more scrumptious, so they'll be much more ready to eat it. So I just have an onion, so I cut up an onion, rough chop, few spices. I have some beef stock that I saved from some sirloin that I braised to help the taste a little bit. I'm cooking it in my Ninja Foodie, so I'm hoping that pressure cooking will infuse all those good flavors into the pasta so it will taste better. So that's what we're making today, and you're going to be experimenting with me to see if it works, it tastes better. So stay tuned. Okay, so what you see here are my chopped up onions, the wheat spaghetti, and I've already started searing. You can see it bubbling in there in my Ninja Foodie. It's on sear, as you can see. And I am also showing you a few of the spices, the ragu I'm going to use, but this is the secret sauce I was telling you about. So at this point, I'm just about ready to put my onions in. I'm doing one-handed filming, y'all. Sorry about the shakiness. So I'll have to stop here and there to add things when I need both my hands. But this is where we are. We're sizzling and bubbling. Okay, I have added the onions in now, and we are continuing to brown and let those onions sweat out a bit. And I'm about to add some spices. So this is just regular pepper. You need pepper and everything, okay? It don't taste right if you ain't got regular black pepper in it. And this is just some organic, no salt seasoning I got from Costco. It actually does have a pretty good taste. Remember, I'm doing one-handed filming here, y'all. And this is just a little sweet mesquite for a little extra upping up the flavor. This is some lemon pepper, and this is just some complete seasoning, all around seasoning to add in. And I'm just going to add a little bit of your good old Lawry's seasoned salt, not too much. We're mixing that all together and let it continue to sort of meld with our onions and ground beef. Okay, now we're ready for the spaghetti. Whenever you're putting spaghetti in a Ninja Foodie, you have to break it in half and then layer it and crisscross it. So what you see, I've got the first layer down, and I'm now adding the next layer of pasta broken in half, going in the other direction. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm getting all my whole wheat spaghetti into my Ninja Foodie. Okay, we are ready for our secret sauce here. That's what I am adding into our Ninja Foodie. You see some veggies. You might see some sprigs, which are thyme. That was in that sauce. Now we're adding the ragu. That's what I have on hand. And trying to get all of that out, I'm going to need to add some water. So I will put that in the jar. Make sure I get all the goodness out and add that in. Now we need to take our spoon and sort of judge things around, because the sauce can be thick and you want to make sure it actually is getting to the bottom so you do have full coverage of your pasta. So that's what I'm doing here. And there we go. Now we're ready to just set it. I turned it off, put the pressure lid on, make sure that it is on seal and not vent. Then we turn our appliance, our Ninja Foodie, back on, set it for pressure, and then I'm going to set the time. And I'm going to go for 12 minutes because then I can check it and see where we are. And press start. And that little line circling is letting the Ninja Foodie get up to pressure. Okay, we have a countdown here. Actually, it's finished with the pressure cooking, and I did the quick release, and it's taking a while, 3 minutes actually, for it to finish that. So if you notice, the pressure gauge was down. So this is what we have. Looking good, smelling good. I'm mixing everything together because you know it was put in the Ninja Foodie in layers. So I'm just sort of mixing it all together to see what we really got. And then we're going to taste it and see if we need to do anything else to it. Still mixing. And now I'm going to pull a little bit out on a plate so I can taste it. I'm blowing on it, y'all, because it's hot. You saw it was bubbling. So after my taste test, I realized I need to add some more. The noodles were a little too al dente for me. So it needs some more cooking. And I forgot to put garlic in. And there's my secret ingredient, which is cranberry sauce. Yes, I'm making it savory with a touch of sweetness, whole wheat spaghetti. So remember I said we were experimenting. So we're just mixing in that garlic, and we are going to, I added a little more liquid too. I didn't mention that, but I added more liquid to make sure it was covered. We're checking the seal, and we are now going to set it again for pressure. I'm going to set it again for 12 more minutes, and then we'll see what we got. We are turning it on, it's getting up to pressure, and then it will cook for the 12 minutes. Okay, so this is what we got. I have been upstairs for a while, so I just let it go into the keep warm mode. This looks good. Smells good. I can smell the garlic too. So we're gonna get another taste going on and see if we were successful in making the wheat pasta spaghetti taste better. I'm blowing it, y'all. That is good, y'all. The garlic and that secret ingredient did it. You know, I'm gonna put some shredded Parmesan on here, and we will be good to go. My hubby is going to love this. Ooh, yeah. Y'all know this is going to be some good eating. Spend a little bit on my little testing area. Look at that, y'all. Okay. This was a success. Because this tastes good. This tastes good. This tastes good. This is Quita with the Quitassential Life, cooking with Q. Thank you so much for joining me. My dinner is ready, and I'm excited that you joined me today. And yes, using what you got, what you saved, other savory things that you cooked, that's what I added here. I had some cranberry sauce, homemade, that I canned, so I keep using it. That was my secret ingredient in this, y'all. Okay. And it worked along with the garlic. Thank you again for spending time with me today and cooking with me today. And I'm glad our experiment was a success. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you. I appreciate your time. Thank you for joining the Quitassential Life. Come back soon. Bye-bye.